Hello everyone, I Hermes welcome you all on WsCube Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about that how you can upload a video on YouTube. As I have promised that in this course I'm going to talk about YouTube from very starting, be it a beginner or you are already using YouTube. This course is going to be very useful for you, right? So I'm going to tell you how to upload a video from very starting. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on YouTube. Okay, so this is the window where you can watch your videos and explore your videos, right? But as being a creator, you have to use this YouTube Studio that is in the right corner and you can just click it, or you can just directly go to the YouTube Studio, right? So this is your YouTube Studio. Your default page would be the last video you have posted and its performance, right? Alright, so to upload a video, you have to click on this section, right? This right here, upload videos, you have seen this. Okay, so when you will click on it, there would be this window. You can either just select any file and drag it here, or you can just select your files from your storage, right? So I'm gonna just select my files from my storage, right? So I have this video. Okay, I'm just selecting it. Okay, so it will take a minute or two and it will get processed, like, right? So this is the uploading of video. If video is really lengthy and high in size, then it will take a little more time, but yeah, it will get easily done. Okay, so the default title would be whatever the name of your file, right? So as you can see here, this file's name is EDM01 and our default title is EDM01, right? So we can just change it, right? And I'll talk about it, that how you can write a title in our later videos, right? So make sure to subscribe the channel so you don't miss a video. All right, so right now I'm adding a little title like what is Pinterest. Okay, so I'm just using it as my title and this is our description. I have talked about in upload defaults that how you can set a default description, right? So here it is. I'm just gonna change it according to this particular video. So as you can see that in this video, I'm trying to explain about what I'm trying to explain about Pinterest. Alright, so this is a video which I have posted. This is related to the Pinterest, right? So I have added this particular title, but I'm going to talk about it, that how you can write your title or your description, right? Alright. So for the thumbnails, YouTube gives us 3 suggestions, right? So 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, the thumbnail here is changing. So either you can choose among them or you can just upload your own thumbnail, customize it, right? So if you haven't verified your account, that this option would not be there. So I have made a separate video on that. You can check the link in the description where I've talked about that how you can verify your account, right? So this option would be there. So I'm just choosing my own thumbnail, or you can just choose which are already suggested by the YouTube. All right. So I'm just choosing this particular thumbnail which is related to this particular video, right? So this would be my thumbnail. All right then. So you can also compare the thumbnail in search results, right? So what are the other people using the thumbnails for this particular video, right? So you can just check that out. If you have downloaded the vidIQ, then this option would be there. Otherwise, you can just choose among them. All right. All right then. So I'm just choosing this particular thumbnail. Now here are the playlists. If you have any playlist, right, so you can just add it to it. So I'm just adding it in this particular playlist. Otherwise, if you do not have a playlist, you can just leave this option and it will be posted as a separate video. All right. So now this is the option, what type of audience this video for is. All right. So yes, it is made for kids and I have talked about it in our earlier video that what videos should we go for the kids or what should not be and what are the advantages and disadvantages. So you can just choose it accordingly. All right then. So this is my paid promotion. If this video contains any paid promotion kind of thing, you can just check it. All right. So if this video do not have any promoted promoted content, then you can just leave it like this. All right. So this would be the automatic chapters. Just allow it so that if there's any related video to this particular video, then YouTube will automatically suggest it, right? So it could be your video or any other's video. All right. So these are like some tags. You can just add some tags. I'll talk about tags in our later video. So you can just write your tag and click on enter. Right, so I'm adding another tag like Pinterest marketing. All right, so I have done that. All right, so after that, these are some recommended tags and you have to select your language. If you have made, if the language of your video is Hindi or English, right? So if you have made your video in Hindi, then you can select Hindi or English or any language, right? So caption certification, if this video is original, then choose it none. Otherwise, if this video has already been published to any another source like any TV or any other channel other than YouTube, then you can just select that. Otherwise, just choose none. All right. So this would be optional, right? Recording date and location. That's not necessary, right? So you can just choose your category from here, from which category this video falls, right? And here is the comment visibility. Okay, so just check this settings once, because many of the people have the disabled comments and they don't even know, right? So I'm just choosing this particular option, like hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. If there would be any inappropriate comment, then it would be held for the review. I'll review it, then it will show, right? This is the sort option that how your comments will see in which order, right? All right then. So you can see here's the monetization. If you have selected the monetization, you can on it or off it, but we would definitely on it, right? Because we want motivation to create another content. All right then. After doing that, ad suitability. So you can just check. So you can just tell YouTube that whether your video or your content has any of them, like violence, adult content, or harmful or dangerous act, right? So you have to just do that. Okay, just look carefully for them, right? Okay, so this is the submit rating. We are submitting rating, right? So the submitting rating means this video is particularly safe for the ads. You can show this to other people's, right? All right. Another would be the video elements, add subtitles. I will make a separate video on this, that how you can add subtitles to your videos, right? And end screen and ad guards. The separate videos are coming up, right? So make sure you subscribe to our channel. All right then. So let's go and click on the next. Now this is check and you can just select it and save. Now this is a very important option, whether you want to keep this video private or you want to keep it unlisted. Unlisted would be that anyone with the video link can watch your video, right? So make sure to choose this. Or if you want to make your video private, the people chosen by you will only be able to see this video, right? So you can just make it private, or you can make it public. You will if you click on public, it will automatically be uploaded on the YouTube, right? So I'm just keeping it unlisted, and we can make it public later, right? Whenever we want to. So what we do here in WsCube Tech, we create the content, we upload all the videos in unlisted, and after that, whenever we want to upload a video, we just make it public, right? So you can do that. After that, you have to do scheduling. You can do, I'll talk about it in the later videos. Now you have to go and save it, right? As soon as you save it, it will get posted, video will get uploaded, right? So you can see video is currently unlisted. Only the people with the link can share it. You can see when I'll go on the content, you can see this is a video which we have posted in this particular day, right? So this is our video monetization on, and from this section you can make it public or private, right? So here we have learned how to upload a video. So go create amazing content, post over YouTube, do some experiment, and I'm here for you because a lot of videos are going to come that will help you to boost up your channel or your content, right? So I hope this video was useful for you. Please hit the like button, and if there's any question, any query, any problem occurring while uploading your video, you can just comment down, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.